Bruce here from Chrome and Steel. We're actually in the international booth, and we couldn't help ourselves. We had to stop in and take a look at the truck that's right behind me. And we got our buddy Matt here that's joining us to tell us a little bit more about it. How are you doing, Matt?
I'm good.
So last day of the trade show, there's a lot of people going through your booth.
Yes, there are. They're all quite excited to see this truck.
So what's the overall reaction from people that do see it?
It's generally been very, very positive. We get a lot of wows, or that's so cool. I mean, like, is this going into production kind of questions, like, what is this truck and what's it about?
So this truck here has been named the Catalist, is that correct?
That's correct.
So tell us a little bit about it. What's the Catalist all about?
So the Catalyst is the result of a U.S. Department of Energy grant to Navistar. It was a multi-year program to develop a high fuel efficiency vehicle. We were judged on freight efficiency, which is ton mile per gallon. So anything that we could take out of the truck that reduces the overall weight, or anything that we could add to the truck that increases the overall efficiency, were technologies that we're interested in developing and putting onto this truck.
And this was something that took how many years of design and development? Because I'm assuming it has to go through multiple phases?
We actually had 2 phases of this. I think the total program length was about 5 years.
And when we're looking at a price tag for developing technologies as we see in the truck like this, what are we looking at approximately?
The total truck, I think the total program was about $100 million. But this truck itself probably has, with the trailer combined, a couple $1 million worth of stuff on it. It was a joint venture actually between Navistar and our partners. We partnered with a number of national labs and a number of other Tier 1 suppliers.
Okay, so it was mixed across the board. So you guys basically designed a improved engine for this model here.
Yes, so the engine in here is actually a Navistar engine. It was developed on our N13 type platform. It was modified for efficiency to get up to 50% brake thermal efficiency.
Wow, nice. And how long have you been working for Navistar now?
I've been working for Navistar since 2008.
What exactly do you do for Navistar?
I work in advanced technologies based out of Lisle in Chicago. I developed and worked on this truck to do all of the vehicle controls integration and the PCC, which is the predictive cruise control optimization.
Wow. So I'm assuming, I can only imagine you guys working in, is it like a whole NASA type deal that you guys got going on when you're working on these engines behind the scenes?
No, most of the engine development work was actually performed at Melrose Park, which is another facility down near Chicago, on the dyno. And then a lot of the technologies we built, we had test benches and we built it in concept systems. And then we had a previous iteration of this truck, which we used to demonstrate these technologies on an actual vehicle. And then this final version that you see here has all of those key technologies put together and integrated to provide the best fuel economy truck in the world.
Nice. So we're definitely going to get you guys more information on Chrome and Steel. We're actually going to share it on in the form of pictures and articles, and we'll get more information about it. So thanks for taking the time to talk to us there, Matt.
Thank you. It was my pleasure.
We'll be right back.